This video is about my baby brother, who I love very much. He is semi-paralyzed due to a gunshot wound in 1976, and he suffers from Brugada syndrome caused by taking a prescribed drug. On September 18, 2002, San Bernardino Police arrested him on falsified charges of rape, kidnapping, and false imprisonment of a Brazilian illegal alien named Maria del Concepcion, after he told her that he didn't want to marry her so she could become a citizen in the United States after her visa had expired. The San Bernardino Police knew that Maria wasn't 14 years of age, but they still charged him with an alleged rape and kidnapping and false imprisonment of her based on police stating that she was 14 years of age when they knew at the time her California driving permit showed she was 25 years old. The Mexican-American police officers who arrested my brother conspired with Maria to get her citizenship and a share of the $10,000 given to her from the California Crime Victims Fund. My brother has worked for the federal government in the past and was a successful businessman at the time he was falsely arrested. He is innocent of all charges, remember that, and he has vehemently stated this again and again and again since 2002. My brother was taken before San Bernardino County Superior Court Judge Slauson. Judge Slauson appointed Gregory K. Waitman to represent him, and County Attorney Michael Ramos represented the state of California during his false trial proceedings or illegal trial proceedings. Although my brother was and is innocent, his attorney, Mr. Waitman, refused to defend him and advised him to plead guilty, and he would be released on 5 years probation the next day, which he was. At no time prior to this plea did either Judge Slauson, County Attorney Ramos, and or Mr. Waitman ever tell my brother that under California state law, he could not get probation for the alleged illegal falsified rape charge filed under Penal Code 261A2. Therefore, my brother's conviction was based on Judge Clausen knowingly entering an order that she knew was in excess of her lawful authority, and this judgment order was never legal. My brother's probation was eventually violated, and he was resentenced by San Bernardino County Superior Court Judge Brian S. McCarville. During those proceedings, he was given time served on probation and placed on immediate parole. In furtherance of the conspiracy hatched by San Bernardino Police Department, Judge Slauson, County Attorney Ramos, and Mr. Waitman, Judge McCarville sealed my brother's trial records from all public view in 2009. Since 2009, my brother's illegal parole has been violated 5 times, and he has done 10 months each time in California prisons. Each of these parole violations was the result of his current parole agent, Edwin Martinez, putting false evidence on my brother's cell phone and computer. We can prove every allegation in this statement. My brother filed numerous petitions in San Bernardino County Superior Court before Judge McCarville and County Attorney Ramos. Both have refused to correct this injustice. He eventually filed a federal writ of habeas corpus challenging Judge Slauson's judgment order in 2009, which was denied by Federal Magistrate Judge Paul Abrams. While on parole, my brother was required under state law to attend the Sharper Future Sex Offender Program and to take random polygraph exams. If he did not take these exams, he would be immediately returned to prison again. During his last polygraph exam on October 17, 2013, the examiner, Paul T. Says, concluded that my brother was truthful when he stated that he did not rape 25-year-old Maria del Concepcion in 2002. Both California Parole Board and Sharper Future staff had requested this instant offense polygraph exam because my brother had been stating for years at every counseling session that he was innocent and is innocent of all charges. Had he refused, his parole would have been violated, as I stated earlier. On November 3rd, 2013, I filed a formal complaint against San Bernardino Police Department with the Federal Bureau of Investigation in Washington, D.C. Although I haven't heard anything back from them, no reports, no status, no nothing, even though I've inquired about this matter on at least one occasion. No one has sent me any response from the Justice Department. Most recently, I also sent complaints to California Senator Boxer and Feinstein and California Governor Brown. I haven't received any response from neither of these senators or as I stated earlier, or the FBI, but Governor Brown's office has adamantly stated that it would not investigate the California Department of Corrections after we alleged that someone in the California Department of Corrections changed my brother's parole release date from May 4th, 2014 to June 15th, 2014. I am asking for everyone's help, and that means everyone. It doesn't matter who you are, what you stand for, your beliefs, whatever. We need your assistance. We need you to write the Justice Department and ask them about that investigation against the San Bernardino Police Department. Ask them if they have considered investigating the San Bernardino County Superior Court, as well as an investigation of San Bernardino County Attorney Ramos. If you would like further details about our attempts to clear our last name, please contact me, Willie B. Hadley, at this email address, williebhadley@iiausa.net. And by the way, before I close this video, remember this name. Leonard Eugene Hadley has done more time for this illegal charge than is allowed by law. A rape case based upon Penal Code 261A2 only carries a maximum of 9 years. My brother has been incarcerated since 2002. That's 12 years. Thank you. And please, please, take your time, consider what I've said. Another innocent person is in prison for something they did not commit, based on allegations from an illegal alien named Maria del Concepcion. Thank you.